What's going on, everyone? Today we're going to remove the headliner of my 2015 Honda Fit. I did this 3 times already this weekend, so I should be able to zip right through it. I would suggest taking your time so you don't break any plastic clips. This is my 4th time doing it, and I have yet to break a clip or crease the headliner. I would suggest when you remove the headliner out or put it back into the car that you use a friend to help prevent any creases. To do this, you're going to need a torque wrench with a 14mm attachment. That is for the seat belt. I'm only going to remove 1. You might want to remove 2 to make things a little easier. That's up to you. I'll explain that when we get there. You're going to need 2 flathead screwdrivers or these pry tools to prevent any scratches. If you don't have those, just throw a towel over the flatheads and you should be able to pop them off. And you're going to need a Phillips head screwdriver. I'm not too worried about getting little scratches places because it's the Adventure Mobile. That getting started, I think I could do this in 20 minutes, and then putting it back in might take about 30. You're going to want a couple of bags too to put the dome light in, the map light, and then the handlebars on the sides. I labeled them front, passenger, and rear. I don't think it makes a difference where you put them. So let's get started. The hardest part is going to be the sun visors. I'll show you when we get there. Anyway, 3, 2, 1, go. Coming in here, shine the light in for you guys. Phillips. I believe the nut acts like a ground, so when your light shuts off, don't worry about it. You didn't mess it up. Hopefully you don't got a glare with that light. Whew. These will most likely be taped to the ceiling. Remove this on the left. This one you might be able to get out, but if you're like me, where's the skinny flathead? You're gonna have to remove this guy. Don't lose the nuts. Oh, there we go. Got your tab there. Why are you being difficult? There we go. 1, 2. The nuts. Light pieces. This is where I say you should get a bag. I laid them on my counter like this the last time I did it, and something fell off my workbench. And of course, that's where I laid it again. Let's get the dome light. Popped off. Phillips. And one more plug. Camera's still going. Put this on the side. Now, oh, you know what? I forgot a tool for you guys. Needle nose pliers. See the indentation here, indentation on the other side. This is where you might want to use a towel so you don't scratch these stubborn things. Since this is my what, 4th time popping these out. They're probably going to be a little easier than what they're going to be for you. Take the needle nose pliers, stick it in deep, squeeze, and pull on the lever, not the metal clip. That was my mistake the first time around. Being stubborn already. I wasn't in deep enough with the needle nose pliers. Ooh. Oops, we slip in here. Take the weather stripping off the top portion. I don't recommend fully removing it because then it's slight pain to get it back in the same position and shape that it was in when we started. Do the front seat. Ooh, look at that. See? Forgetting pieces already. Catch that. Deep squeeze pull. Deep squeeze pull. There we go. Look at that one. Hey, where you going, Light? What am I doing now? Pop this black off, just pop it back. It's nice and easy. Make sure that's down. There's a tab in the center. Pull that, and then wiggle it down. That one went easy, I'm not gonna lie. Usually you got to pull it down with a little bit more force, like this one. There we go. Oh, these son of a, you know waters. Oh, nice. I must not have that one clicked in all the way. Can I get lucky on this one? No, that one's still in there. 2 flat heads. So you got another one in there, and another one on there. I think this one should be skinnier. Yes. Slight delay. Skinnier flathead. Ooh. Run DMC. Ooh, watch out for your wires. I got a bunch up here for my other devices, so you're not gonna have those. Stick them up high. Oh, might hit a snag. Might have hit a snag. Besides that, I did forget another tool for you guys. And it's a small flathead screwdriver. It's not for this one. Where I'm gonna lose time. I can't believe this. Oh, I know what my problem was. I was coming at it like this instead of a straight and then pushing down. Look at that. Oh, there's the other one. Now the tricky part. First, it's just seeing it in general. Okay, see there's this brown thing in there that's gonna move. I think I want to have that move toward the center. So you want to push down super hard and push it to the right, and it should spin with it. I mashed mine all up from doing this a couple times, not knowing how to do it originally. And then you're going to get a gap on the left side. So you want to push that and rotate. See how it's open now? Wow, I hope that captured it quite well. So you got a triangle that you want to fit in there, and then it's going to spin and then lock into place. My other one just fell off here. Dang, almost done, almost done. I'm going to use this and 14. I'll use the torque wrench to take it off. Flathead. Come in here, pop the nutto off. Righty tighty, lefty loosey. That's what I'm saying, you don't want to do to your plastic. But you can see my roof is pretty dirty from all the camping I do. Home stretch. All right, that's off. Pry this back a little bit. I personally don't think you need to do the other side. That's on you. This one, there's I think 1, 2, 3, or along the bottom. This was creased from when I did my solar, not the removal. Pop that off. Slide that down. And, oh, let me tuck these cords in. And we should be good. I don't touch those pillars because they're just gonna slide right out. This So when you remove it here, your wires are still going to be taped to the headliner. Mine won't be, because I already did this a bunch of times. I should tape them to the ceiling. Seats are down, that's good. Oh, there's 1, 2, 3 tabs there I forgot about. Then it should really fall down. Back seat belt, clip. Make sure you're not gonna get caught on anything. And when you slide this part out, watch out for these indentations. Those tend to get caught on things. That's why I said you should have 2 people when you remove the headliner. Oh, it's caught on my e-brake. Ow, my head. It's pretty durable. Ta-da! What's our time? What's our time? 14:39. That's quicker than the last time I did it. I shaved off about 4 minutes. I'm gonna go take a break and then we're gonna see how long it takes for us to put this back in.